The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Bie Co is a deeply comforting Vietnamese beef stew in which 4 tender chunks of beef are slow-braised in a fragrant broth perfumed with lemongrass, star anise, cinnamon, ginger, and curry powder. Tomatoes and tomato paste lend a rich, russet color and gentle acidity, while carrots, potatoes, and daikon radish turn the pot into a complete, hearty meal. Though it echoes the French pot-au-feu, a legacy of colonial influence, the aromatic profile is unmistakably Vietnamese. Bie Co is traditionally served with steamed rice, crusty French baguette, or over rice noodles, and it reheats beautifully, making it an ideal make-ahead dish. Main ingredients: beef, cubed, 1½ pounds, oil, 2 tablespoons, large onion, diced, 1 garlic, 4 cloves, water, 3 cups, tomato paste, 4 tablespoons, star anise pods, 2, vegetables, large carrot cut into chunks, 1, medium potatoes cut into chunks, 2, small daikon radish peeled and cut into chunks to yield about 2 cups, 1, marinade. Lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part minced, 2 stalks. Finger-length red chili, deseeded and diced, 1, minced fresh ginger root, 2 tablespoons. Ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Curry powder, 1 teaspoon. Fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. For serving, steamed rice, French baguette or rice noodles, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Prepare the beef. Cut the beef into 1½ inch cubes. Trim away any large pieces of excess fat, but leave some marbling intact so the meat stays juicy during the long braise. Mince the aromatics for the marinade. Trim the lemongrass stalks. Use only the thick bottom portion. Discard the tough outer layers and mince the tender inner core finely. Peel and mince the fresh ginger root to yield 2 tablespoons. Deseed the red chili and dice it finely. Peel and mince the garlic cloves. Set aside 4 cloves for the braise. 3. Make the marinade. In a large bowl, combine the minced lemongrass, diced chili, minced ginger, ground cinnamon, curry powder, fish sauce, salt, and black pepper. Mix well until evenly blended into a thick, fragrant paste. 4. Marinate the beef. Add the beef cubes to the marinade and toss until every piece is well coated. Cover and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes at room temperature, or refrigerate for several hours or overnight for deeper flavor. 5. Prepare the vegetables. Peel the carrot and cut into large chunks. Peel the potatoes and cut into chunks of similar size. Peel the daikon radish and cut into chunks to yield about 2 cups. Dice the large onion. Set all vegetables aside, keeping the onion separate from the root vegetables. Cooking steps. 1. Brown the aromatics. Heat the 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large saucepan over high heat. Add the diced onion and garlic and stir-fry until fragrant, 30 seconds to 1 minute, taking care not to let the garlic burn. Brown the beef. Add the marinated beef cubes along with all the marinade to the pot. Stir-fry vigorously for about 3 minutes until the beef is browned on all sides and the aromatics are well distributed. 3. Build the braising liquid. Pour in the 3 cups of water. Add the tomato paste and the 2 star anise pods. Stir well to dissolve the tomato paste and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Simmer the beef. Reduce the heat to low and simmer uncovered for about 1 hour, allowing the beef to become tender and the broth to develop a deep, rich flavor. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. 5. Add the vegetables. After the first hour, add the carrot chunks, potato chunks, and daikon radish chunks to the pot. Continue to simmer for another 20 minutes or until the beef is fully fork tender and all the vegetables are cooked through. 6. Serve. Remove from the heat. Transfer to a large serving bowl. Serve hot with steamed rice, crusty French baguette, or over rice noodles. Garnish with fresh cilantro or scallions if desired.